Hey everyone, I'm Dynamic John of Dynamic Carpet Care, and people all the time ask me, what are some home ingredients I could use to clean my carpet? Well, I'm going to give you a tip right here and show you how to do it. First, all you need is some dish detergent and a spray bottle, one like this or one like this. You take your dish detergent, mix it, put a couple of drops in the bottle, then fill the rest of the bottle up with some hot water. Then what you want to do is take your bottle, spray the spot, make sure you hit it good, don't saturate it, but spray that area, and get your trusty shop vac, go over it, turn the shop vac on, and go over that area to make sure you get it good. So I hope these home ingredients to get spots out of your carpet worked. If you have any other issues or questions, feel free to contact me at www.dynamiccarpetcare.us. And remember, keep it clean, my friends.